Welcome to Oasis Network. How to swap a YUZUSWAP Dex. For us to be able to interact with YUZUSWAP Dex, we need to have MetaMask extension wallet and then add Emerald Mate on their network. Once it is already added, we can go ahead and deposit Rose token on it. You can download or add MetaMask wallet on your Google Chrome. Once it is already downloaded, open the extension and create or import wallet. To add Emerald Mate, click on the drop-down button under Ethereum Mate. Then click on Add Network at the bottom. Then enter the required fields here for Emerald Mate. Then click on the Save button. We now have Emerald Mate here. We need Rose coin to deposit here to my MetaMask in order to interact with YUZUSWAP. Since I am withdrawing Rose coin from KuCoin exchange and we can't withdraw directly from exchange to MetaMask, we need to have or create an Oasis wallet first from Oasis network itself. We can use the Oasis wallet extension and add it to your browser. Go to oasisprotocol.org and click on Get the Oasis extension button. It will prompt you here. Then click on Add to Opera button. If you are using Chrome, click on Add to Chrome button. And it will ask you to confirm to add the extension, then just go ahead and click on it. Once you have successfully added the Oasis wallet extension, open the wallet and create a new wallet. Make sure to save your seed phrase. We now have an Oasis wallet. We can use this wallet to withdraw Rose coin from KuCoin exchange to here. Now, go to your KuCoin exchange account. From your main menu, click Rose coin and click on the Withdraw button. Then paste your Oasis address, the one that you have copied earlier. Select Oasis Network. Type the exact amount that you want to withdraw. Then click on the Withdraw button. Then click Confirm and follow the prompts. Now, we have successfully withdrawn my Rose coin to my Oasis extension wallet. Now we will go to my Oasis extension wallet and send my Rose coin to MetaMask so that we can interact with YUZUSWAP. To send it, click on Pair Items button at the bottom. Click Pair Item under Emerald. Then type the exact amount that you want to send. Then paste your MetaMask address. Now that we have successfully sent the Rose coin to my MetaMask, now, we'll go to my MetaMask where are the 2 Rose coin. We can now go ahead and interact with YUZUSWAP Dex. Go to this website, https://app.yuzuswap.com/hash/ then click Connect button located on the upper right. Then select MetaMask from the list of options that will prompts. Then click on Connect button here. Here, we have successfully connected our MetaMask extension wallet to YUZUSWAP. To trade, click on the Swap button. In order to swap here at YUZUSWAP, you will need to convert Rose coin to Rose first. I have 2 Rose coin here, I will only convert 1.5, I left some 0.5 Rose for transaction fees. Here in YUZUSWAP Dex, the fees are very cheap and transaction is very fast and smooth. Just click on the wrap button to swap. Then click on the confirm button. Now, we have successfully converted to W Rose coin. We can now go ahead and swap it to other coins. There's a lot of other, but I'll just to swap it with Yuzu coin this time. To start swapping, click on Approve W Rose button. It will prompt you here, then just click on Confirm button. Now click on Swap button. Then click on Confirm Swap from the prompts. Then click on the Confirm button. Look at the fees, very affordable and cheaper compared to other decks out there. And finally, we have completed the swap. That's all. Have a nice day.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification.